Okay, in Module 2, Lesson 8, it looks like you're going to estimate the product first by rounding and then solve by standard algorithm. So let me just go and let's do maybe 1F, and then I think you can do the rest of these. So I'll pick one that's a little bit harder, and so in F you have 3,068, so I'm going to just round that to 3,000 as my rounding estimate times 500, and so you would get your answer. We're going to round, so we do rounding, and if you round that 3,000 times 500, you're going to get about 1,500,000. And then you're just going to take that number, your actual numbers, and you're going to multiply by standard algorithm. So let me do that. And then we're going to just see if it's close. It should be close to this number, the estimated number that we have up here. Okay, so check that, check my multiplication, and then we can see that it's pretty close to this number. We have 1,600,000 here, 1,500,000 here, so actually fairly close if we're estimating. As you're doing standard algorithm, go ahead and you can go ahead and check your answer with a calculator, and if you don't get the same answer, go ahead and do it by standard algorithm, then check it with your calculator. And if you don't get the same answer, then maybe you can go back and you can check your multiplication to see where you went wrong in your thinking. Okay, so I know this will take you a little bit of time. Pause the video, do all of number 1, and then I'll step through the story problems with you, the word problems. Okay, in your word problem here, it says when multiplying 1,729 times 308, Clayton got the product of 53,253. Without calculating, does his product seem reasonable? And you can explain your thinking through rounding. So if you rounded 1,729, you can round that to 2,000. Times 300, and C, does 53,000 sound reasonable? Yes or no? Okay, in number 4, it says a publisher prints 1,912 copies of a book in each print run. If they print 305 runs, the manager wants to know about how many, so you're going to estimate so you can just round this to 2,000 times 300, and you can estimate how many books about how many books the publisher can tell the manager that he will be printing.